In a friendly neighborhood lived two kids named Max and Ellie. They were always ready to help others. One day, after a big snowstorm, the street was covered in heavy snow. The neighbors were worried and couldn't get through. Max and Ellie quickly came up with a plan. They decided to gather their friends and work together to clear the snow. They went around the neighborhood asking their friends to help. Soon, many kids joined them, all bundled up in their snow coats. The kids worked together using shovels and their energy to clear the path. It was hard work, but they didn't give up. Finally, with a final push, they cleared enough snow for everyone to pass. The kids cheered and high-fived each other. The neighbors were very grateful. They thanked the kids and offered them snacks as a reward for their hard work. Max and Ellie realized that by working together, they could solve big problems. They learned that helping hands truly saved the day.